Hi, my name is Courtney, and today I want to tell you about my very favorite piece of assistive technology. It is Dycem. Dycem is a really cool non-slip material that can keep things in place for you. So I have a small Dycem placemat here in front of me, and I can put my plate on it. And now if I try and move my plate, it stays in place for me. When I pick my plate up, it doesn't have any residue on it. And I can wash this Dycem just in the top rack of my dishwasher. So you can use it for plates, you can use it for phones, you can use it for keyboards. It comes in lots of different shapes and sizes. So I have a little round mat here. And it's great for all sorts of daily living tasks. So that is Dycem.